Okay, so here, the first question was finding h. How would I find h? I will do that, what the relation or the ratio between the similarity. So h over the other side, which is 6.3, equal 5 over the other side, which is 9. And I got h equal 3.5. Then the area of the smaller shape. If I'm going to use the ratio of the areas, so the ratio of the areas will be equal the ratio of the sides power 2. And also, if I'm using the ratio of the volumes, so the ratio of the volumes equal the ratio of the sides power 3. So here, area larger over area smaller equals any side from the larger power 2 over the side, the corresponding side from the smaller power 2. And it will be area larger over 16 equal 9 power 2 over 5 power 2. Then do cross multiplication, you will get the answer. Any problem? Okay. For this one, okay, for this one, you remember how to do this one? He's giving me this table. It's a frequency table, and on histogram, the height of the block for A is what? From 0 to 6, and the interval is 7.5 centimeter. Calculate the height of the block from 6 to 10. What should I do? First of all, he should give me one like this as a reference to find the scale factor, that the scale drawing, sorry, that it was drawn by. Okay, so what should I do? First, he's giving me this interval. I will do what? I will do the frequency divided by the difference between them. Okay, so the frequency is 8 divided by the difference between them, 6 minus 0, 6, equal 3. But this 3 is drawn as what? 7.5. So what did I do? I multiplied by what? I will divide 7.5 divided by 3. It will give me 2.5. That means I multiplied by 2.5. So I will make the same here. 16 divided by the difference. 16 divided by the difference. The difference which is 4. 10 minus 6, 4. Equal 4. Then multiply it also by 2.5. It will give me the direct answer, which is 10. You got it?
Yes.
Any problem?
Yes.
Okay. Another one. I'm going to say just one question about the lower bound and upper bound in case you also forget them. The distance, no, this one, I want to say something about it because there's conversion in it. The distance from town A to town B on the map is 3.5 centimeter. And the scale on the map is 1 to this number, okay, 250,000. Find the actual distance in kilometers from town A to town B. What do you think I should do?
Multiply 3.5 by
3.5.
250,000.
Yes, so here, this is 3.5. So I will put it down here. It is on the map. So on the map means here, and I want this. So x equal 3.5 multiplied by this number. There is 5 here. Okay, so 250, then 3 zeros multiplied by 3.5 equal this number. But this number which I got is what? Centimeter. How to convert it into kilometer?
Divide by 100,000.
Yes, that from centimeter it will be divided from centimeter to meter. Divide by how many zeros? 2 zeros. Then from meter to kilometer, 3 zeros. So this I will divide by this 5 zeros. It will be what? 8.75 kilometers. Any problem? Okay,
No.
let's do this one. Reem is here? Reem. Reem. Okay, I don't know if she's here or not, but she sent me this question to solve it. I hope she's here. Okay, look at this question. Would you read it? He's telling me a solid is made by cutting a small cone from a larger cone, as shown in the diagram. The height of the larger cone is 12.5, and the height of the solid is 5.5. Okay, so and the diameter of the base of the larger cone 9.8. Work out the volume of the solid. Who has any idea what to do here? Huh?
We can minus the height, maybe?
Yes, first I will minus the height. So the height of the smaller cone is 7 centimeter. What else should I do? What else should I do?
Divide 9.2 to get the radius.
Oh, you can
Okay,
get this by
from
ratio.
here, the radius
Yeah.
is, this is
Get
9.2
two
divided
cones.
by 2 is 4.6. I got from here 4.6. I want the volume of the solid. I want what?
Get the
The
two
volume
cones
of the
with it.
solid. So I will get the volume of the larger cone, subtract from it the volume of the small, small cone. What's missing here? The radius of the small cone. How to get the radius of the small cone?
Ratio.
Yes, ratio. Look here, the height of the larger divided by the height of the small equal the radius of the larger over the radius of the small. What is the height of the larger? We said 12.5. And what is the height of the smaller? 7 equal. What is the radius of the larger? 4.6. From here I can get the radius of the smaller. Yes, so the radius of the smaller will be what? 7 times 4.6 divided by 12.5 equals 2.576. Done for now. Now I can get the volume of the small cone. Hello?
Yes.
Yes, okay, so the volume of the small cone, 1 over 3 pi, and this 2.576 over power 2 multiplied by the height of the smaller cone, which is 7. Okay, can we calculate this, please? Power 2 times 7 times pi divided by 3. I will get as 48.64. Now, what should I do next? Get the volume of the larger cone, 1 over 3 pi, and then use the radius of the larger cone, 4.6, multiply the height of the larger cone, which is 12.5. I will do the same. So pi, 1 over 3, multiply this. Okay, it will be what? 276.98. Then, so the volume of the solid, what should I do? Subtract them, this minus what I got before. It will be what? 228.34. Any problem in this? No. Okay. Let me open the other one that Ahmed sent. Okay. This one, look here, read this one. Find the turning point of this by completing the square. So I will start first by completing the square. So I have here y equal, let me do this. Y equal x square plus 4x minus 3. Do you remember completing the square, guys? Huh? Do you remember how to do completing the square? I will do like this bracket x. Then hold this. Yes, say it. Halve it. Then square it outside by minus. Then bring down. So what should I do? I will have this. So it will be plus 2. Then square it outside by minus. It will be what? Negative 4. Then bring this down. It will be what? Negative 3. Any problem until that? So it will be what? X plus 2 all square, then minus 7. Okay, any problem in that? How to get the turning point? Look here, but the turning point of this, there is a rule or a form of the vertex form which shows the turning point, which is y equal x minus h power 2 plus k. And this h and this k are the turning point, Again, I will say it again. This is what? This is x minus h all power 2 plus k. And this number are what? Are the turning point. So I will write this form down here. Look here, x minus h all power 2 plus k. Can you tell me from here h equal what and k equal what? Look here. If you highlighted this and this and this and this, you will find what? You will find that negative h equal 2. So from here h equal what? Negative 2. This is the first coordinate. And here k equal negative 7. So negative 7. You got it?
Teacher, can you repeat the part of x minus h power 2?
Look here. This is a rule. You should memorize this rule. You should know it, which is, this is called what? The vertex form. This vertex form shows me where is the turning point, but in a form you got from completing the square. So x minus h power 2 plus k. All the trick here to memorize the sign, that negative h and plus k. Okay, after you finish completing the square, you will find it on the same form. So take this form and put down it like this and compare. You feel here, you will see here x, the same x. So minus h equal 2, the 2 highlighted blue one. Minus h equal what? 2. So right here, minus h equal 2. From here, send the negative to the other side. So h equal what? Negative 2. And then the other 2 highlighted, that positive k equal negative 7. So k equal what? Negative 7. You got it?
Yes, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Ahmed, you
Yeah.
got it?
Yeah, I
This
got
one,
it, thanks.
yeah, what you
just
meant,
change
right?
the sign of h
Huh?
and just change the sign of h and then just put k as it is.
Yes, because it is what, if it is positive, if it is negative, I see, again, I am just explaining the general formula. If you want to take it like this, you can, Ibrahim, it will be correct. But I'm explaining it from scratch, like how it is the vertex form, how to put it under it and do it. Okay, because if this is negative, look here, if x equal minus 2, so h will be equal what? 2, not negative 2, right? Look here, I'm writing another one here, okay? If this is the, here, if this is the equation, okay? If this is what? The equation. I will write under it x minus h power 2 plus k, okay? From here, what do you think? H equal what and K equal what? Huh?
2 and 7.
H equal 2 direct and K equal 7 direct. You got it? So instead of memorizing, if it is negative, do that. If it is positive, do that. And for K, if it is negative, do that. And if it is positive, do that. No, forget about this. Only memorize the rule, which is x minus h squared plus k, and put it under it and start to compare. Okay? For this one, it will be 2 and 7. But for this one, it is -2 and -7. Okay? Done? Okay, let me open for you if before I start what I want to say. Do you have any questions now you can send me and solve it? Any rule you want to memorize it? Any lesson you want to revise? Take a look on it. Say all what you want. I am here for you.
Teacher, can we revise the rules of the circles?
Okay, I will open an exam now. It has a question about circles. Okay. Any other than circles?
Can you do subject of equations like rearranging formulas?
Okay, rearranging formulas. What else? Okay, let me open this file.
Teacher, and ratio questions, like in percentage ratios, those stuff.
Okay, last one who was saying what? Sorry?
If we can also do ratios like percentage ratios, those stuff.
Okay. Okay.
Miss,
Yeah.
could you do like further vector questions?
Okay. I will do. Okay, and also if you have something that the ones you said, if I want to divide the circles and whatever, if you have a question, just send it for me on the WhatsApp. We can direct solve it. Okay? That will be
Okay.
better. Okay. I will just take a look about October 2023 and May, June 2023. Just pick some ideas from it to recap how it is done. Okay? Of course, the problem that you see these questions are very easy, but sometimes from out of nowhere, you make it wrong. Right or wrong? Okay, concentrate on these small, silly questions because it is about collecting marks. Okay, so correct to the 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places will be what? Like here. Okay, so it will be what? 24.0. Then before writing the 7, ask yourself, the one beside it is weak or strong? It will be strong, so it will add 1. So it will be what? 8. Okay, طب correct to the nearest 10. What is correct to the nearest 10? Which digit?
At 24?
Yeah, nearest 10 means the digit 2, not all 24. I'm searching for the digit. Nearest 10 digit what? 2, because 4 is the ones and 2 is the tens. So it is what? 2. Then before writing 2 بقى, you will look to the 4. 4 is weak or strong? Weak. So it will be 20 only. You got it? It will be what? Huh? 20 only. Okay? Type. Write down a number 9 greater than negative 23. What would I do? Add or subtract?
Add.
Add negative 23 plus 9. Okay? Okay. Here is substituting. We can easily do. Okay, from millimeter to kilometer, what would I do?
Multiply by 10 and then multiply by 100 and then 1000.
Error. It is dividing, not multiplying. From small to big, dividing. From small to big, it is what? Dividing. Okay, so I will divide by what back? From millimeter to meter, I have 3 zeros. And from meter to kilometer, I have another 2 zeros. Okay, so it will be what? 62. 62 and 3 zeros divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be what? 0.062. Okay? Done? Look here, I want to say something here. If I got the final answer, I got the volume, for example, and the final answer was m power 3, m cube, and he wanted in liters. What should I do?
Divide.
No, not divide.
Multiply.
Of course, adding or subtracting is not divide, it is multiply. Multiply by what?
1000.
Yes, 1000. Okay, so from meter cube to liter, multiply by 1000. But from centimeter cube to liter, what should I do? Divide by 1000. Okay, the liter is in between the centimeter and the meter cube. Okay, you got it? If
What
you
about
forgot
milliliter?
millimeter,
No, milliliter.
from milliliter to liter, you mean?
No, like from centimeter cubic to milliliter.
You can do like this. If you look here, I will say it, I will explain it, then I will say it direct, okay? From milliliter to liter, I will divide by what? From milliliter to
1000.
liter. You mean from milliliter to liter or from millimeter cube? From millimeter cube, you mean this, Ihsan?
What, miss?
Who is
No,
asking?
Ahmed was not
I
Okay,
meant
Ahmed.
milliliter to liters.
From millimeter cube or from what? Say again, sorry.
Milliliters to liters.
Okay, that's what from milliliter to liter, from small to big, divide by 1000 also. Look here, from anything to the thing, divide by 1000. Like from millimeter to meter, divide by 1000. From milligram to gram, divide by 1000. From milliliter to liter, divide by 1000. So from anything to the same thing, divide by 1000. Okay?
Okay.
Don't forget this because this is important, because it comes a lot in the exam. The question, all of it by centimeter, and he needs the answer of the capacity by liter. What should you do? Sometimes you can first convert it from centimeter cube to meter cube, then from meter cube to liter. No need for that. You know what? You know the liter? The liter equal what? Equal decimeter cube. And the decimeter cube is between the centimeter cube and the meter cube. The liter is decimeter cube. And decimeter cube is between the centimeter cube and the meter cube. Like from decimeter to meter, divide by 100, divide by 10, and it is cube, so divide by what? By 1000. So from here to here, multiply by 1000, and from here to here, divide by 1000. You got it? So of course, no need to do all of this. Just memorize from meter cube to liter, multiply by 1000, and from centimeter cube to liter, divide by 1000, because it is common in the exams. Okay? Okay, for this question, what should I do? What do you think to find x?
Subtract 50 from 180.
Yeah,
And
subtract.
then
Okay, subtract what? 50 from 180. Then okay, you can go to the answer like this. I will tell you a shorter way. Okay, this is parallel, and you find here what? Letter F, right? So if this is 114, all of this will be what? 114. And if this is 50, I can find this 114 minus 50 will be 64, which is this vertical opposite angle. Okay? Otherwise, you can use the alternative, which is what here? The Z letter. Direct. This is shorter also. This is 114, so all of this also 114. If this is 50, this is 50 vertical opposite. So 114 minus 50 equal also 64. Okay? Whenever you find the parallelism, just search for Z, F, and U. Okay? And this also silly question, small question. Explain why 111 is not a prime number.
Divisible by 3.
Yeah, it is divisible by 3. To find a number, prime number between 110 and 120, you can what back? Look here. If you cannot get it direct, and you are not familiar with the prime numbers, you do not remember the prime numbers, right? The numbers, right? From 110 to 120. And first cross the even numbers and cross the numbers ending with 0 and 5. Cross what? The even number and cross the numbers ending with 0 and 5, because they are sure not prime. Then the numbers what remaining, try to divide it by 3. If it is done, خلاص done. If it is not, so it is a prime number. Okay? You got it? You want me to do it? Or done? Done. Number 7, find the bearing of Q from B. That means I'm standing here and looking to Q here. How to find this? What do you think? Look here, I know that the direction of the north is 90 perpendicular. So this is 90. If this is 39, this would be what? 51. And do the same what we said. If this is 51, this 51 smaller than 180 or greater than 180?
Smaller.
Smaller than 180. So add to it 180. You will get the direct answer, 231. Again, it's all about time. Okay, I know paper 2, it is 1.5 hours is fair enough for paper 2. But if you trained yourself to go through shorter methods, you will get in paper 4 the benefit. Okay, continue without calculator. Anyone wants to do this? Anyone confused in doing any one without calculator?
No, miss.
Okay, done. Okay, write 90 as a product number. Remind me to do what for you? Okay, remind me to solve with you a question which is LCM and HCF, please. Okay, after we finish this. How to get the prime factors? You can use the line method or the tree method. Both of them correct. Like the line method, divide by 2, 45, divide by 3, 15, divide by 3, 5, divide by 5, 1. So it will be what? 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 5. Okay? Expand and simplify. This is easy. Number 11, this we solved it before. Yeah, number 12. Do you remember this? The graphs? Okay. He's giving me this graph. Find the deceleration in the final 4 seconds. How to find the deceleration in the final 4 seconds?
Slope.
Yes, the slope. Okay, take it with minus or positive. No need to write the minus because he said deceleration. So you can write it direct positive. Okay. What is this slope? 16 of this line, sorry. Okay. What over what? What should I write? Difference in y over difference in x. Difference in y over difference in x. What is the difference in y? Between 0 and 10, I have 10. Difference in x, between 12 and 16, I have 4. So it is 2.5. Okay? Find the total distance. Whenever he said find the total distance, what should I do?
Area under graph.
Under the graph.
Yes, you can use the trapezium direct, or you can calculate the area of the triangle and add it to the area of the rectangle. Okay, I prefer using the trapezium direct. Okay, the trapezium direct, I have the two bases, which is 16 and what? 12 divided by 2. And what is the height here? The 10. Get the answer direct. Okay, for number 13, 3 power 3b multiplied by 3 power 2b equals 729. What should I do to get b? When we multiply, what we do? We add the power, but we keep the same base because I saw some students writing it as 9. No, we keep the same base. 3 power 5b equal 729. Again, write the same what? Base. Write the same base. 3 power 5b equals 729. Now, to get the power, I have to make the other one 3 power what? 729 equals 3 power what? You have to memorize these numbers. Equal 3
Power
power
6.
6. Yes. So the base equal the base. So the power will be equal the power. So from here, b equals size 6 over 5. Okay. In this question, you will distribute this here and here. If it is distributed on a number, so it will be a power. If it is distributed on an exist power, it will be multiplied. So it will be like this. Yani when you distribute, if there is no power, put it as a power. And if there is a power, multiply it with the power. Okay? And then yani complete simplify this. Okay, who was asking about making the subject? Jose, I think. Okay, so we here have what? Y equal 2w square minus x. What should I do here? I want what? I want w to be the subject. So I am going to keep this term, all of it first, alone. So I will send the negative x to the other side by positive. So 2w squared equal y plus x. Now I will divide by 2. Okay, so w squared equal y plus x divide by 2. Then what should I do?
Square root.
Take the
Both.
square root. Yeah, so W equal what?
Positive negative root y plus x over 2.
Positive or negative? Root y plus x over 2. Sometimes students, because they are writing quickly, they make it like this. No, make the root very clear to be on all the fraction. And don't forget the plus or minus, okay? Number 15, on the Venn diagram, shade the region B union Q dash. When he says union, that means he's asking you two questions on the same drawing. When he say union, that means what? He's asking you to shade two different questions on the same drawing. Yani forget about anything. Go and shade B, then go and shade Q dash without thinking. Okay? Okay, I will go and shade B. So B, all of it. Any problem in shading B? Okay, why it's shaded like that? I don't know. Act it if it is as if it is shaded, yani. Okay? Wait, I'll do it again. Okay, done. Then Q dash. What is the meaning of Q dash?
Ignore Q.
Yes, all outside Q. All outside what? Q. So I will like border Q like that. And all outside Q. Any problem? Okay, for this question, okay, he's telling me that N of universal. What is the meaning of universal? Universal means all your questions supposed to be 20. All the numbers in the question supposed to be what? The sum of them equal 20. Okay, so I know all of them equal 20. Now, but you remember this question of the students who like math and the students who like English and all of that. We go and search for what first? We go and search. We start with either the outside or the common. Don't start with any other number. Okay? Either what? The outside or the common between them. Okay, let's read here the given and decide which one is this. He's telling me that n of A union B dash. What is the meaning of A union B dash? Means, you know A union B? The two circles? Dash means the outside of them. Equal 1. So here is equal what? 1. Okay, again, A union dash means what? You see A union dash? What outside them? Which is 1. Okay, then how to complete this back? Where to write the 12 and where to write the 10?
We subtract them.
From?
From 20?
This is the mistake. This is the horrible mistake. I said before, whenever you put a number outside, subtract it from your question first. Whenever you put a number outside, subtract it from your question first. So 20 minus 1 equal 19. This is the number of your question now, okay? I have 19 seats and or chairs and 12 plus 10 equal 22. So how come 22 will sit on 19 table? That means that some of them are sharing tables. So 22 minus 19 equal 3. So the sharing equal what? 3. Now, if here is 3, what to put in A? 12 minus 3, 9. And then if B equal 10, I already put 3, so here equal 7. And how to make sure add them? They will add up to 20. Any problem?
No.
Done? Okay, look at this question back, number 16. You know what? I am going to find for these two numbers the lowest common multiple and the highest common factor. I know it is not required, but as a recap, okay? Okay, now I will say what I always say. There's a lot of methods to find the LCM and the HCF. That my method doesn't mean that is no, it is not the easiest, it is not the shortest, it is not the only method. It is a method. Okay? Take it or leave it. Okay, I will start first with the 12. Okay? I will factorize it into its prime factors, either by line or by tree, whatever you want. Okay? 12. Then divided by 2 equals 6. Divided by 2 equals 3. Divided by 3 equals 1. So I know now that 12 equals 2 power 2 multiplied by 3. Same with 8. Divided by 2, 4. Divided by 2, 2. Divided by 2, 1. So 8 equal 2 power 3. Any problem for that?
No.
Okay, how to find the LCM? First, take the common by the highest power. First, what? Take the common by the highest power. I have here 2 and 2. One of them 2 power 2 and one of them 2 power 3. So take the highest power will be 2 power 3. Any problem? Then take the uncommon. What is the uncommon? I have only up 3. So multiplied by 3. If I have a number down 5, 7, whatever, multiply by it again. So first, take what? Take the common with the highest power. So 2, I took only 2 power 3. And the uncommon, take them all. Any problem for that? So for the x, in the LCM, take the highest power, which is 12. Okay, so from here, 2 cubed, 8 multiplied by 3, 24, x power 12. Any problem?
No.
Okay, if I want to get HCF back, if I want to get what? HCF. Take the common with the least power. Take the common with the lowest power. I have here 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. So take only 2 power 2. And the uncommon, forget about it. Don't take them. Okay? But for the power of the x, take the lowest power. So it will be x power 8. So HCF is 4x power 8. Done? This question comes a lot in paper 2. Okay? Shall I go down?
Yes.
Okay, for this circle, for Salma. Okay, look here. He's giving me that A, B, C points and O is a center and angle OBA is 28. Please, 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 in the questions of circle, make sure that all the written givens are put on the drawing. Okay? Because sometimes if it is a midpoint or like that, or perpendicular, they do not write it. Okay, type. Find the angle of ACB. Okay, please, please, please. Whenever you are searching for an angle, which is what? Which is circumangle. What the meaning of circumangle? Circumangle means on the circle. On what? The circle. You have 99%. You have what? 99% case of 3 cases. Case of what? 3 cases. The first case is very clear. You can got it by your eyes like this in a second. The case of what? This case. I will draw it here. If I have a tangent like this and a chord like this and circle like this and find this circle direct whenever I have a tangent and a chord, tangent and what? a chord, the angle between the tangent and the chord equal the angle opposite to the chord. Equal the angle opposite to the chord. Okay? Type. Whenever I have again a tangent like this and a chord, hold the chord and get out from with your fingers. Leave the pen and hold your fingers. From the finger with your fingers from the start of the chord and the end of the chord. From the start of the chord and the end of the chord. Go like this. You will find the circumcenter, which is equal to the tangency angle, which is called in the tangency angle. In one year, I don't remember which year, was asking about this and he asked you to write the reason. He asked you to write what? The reason. How to write the reason? It is very easy. You can express your own way. Like what? That the angle of tangency equal the angle of the equal the circumangle opposite to the chord. Okay? Any problem in this? Another case. If he's asking about a circumangle like this. Okay? This circumangle. If he's asking about the circumangle and you don't see any tangent, search for another circumangle getting out from the same arc. Search for another circumangle getting out from the same arc. This is the arc. AC, for example. Leave your pen with your fingers. Point your fingers on A and C and get out on another two lines. That is what? That it's going out from AC, not your angle, another angle. So you will find this angle. So it will be equal this angle. So how to write the reason in case he asked it? Because they are both circumangles subtended to the same arc. So both circumangles subtended to the same arc, which is AC. Okay, students? Okay. And the third common case, which is this case, look here. First, when I look to this question, there is no tangent. And the required is what? Is circumangle. Do you have another circumangle subtended to the same arc AB? No, I don't. So search for a central angle subtended to the same arc. Central angle subtended to the same arc. Okay, so where is the central angle subtended to the same arc? Here is this one. Oh, but what is the relation between them? The central double the circum. The central what? Double the central. Do I have this central? No, I don't, but I can get it. This is radius and this is radius. So this is isosceles triangle. This is what? Isosceles triangle. So this is 28 and this is 28. Subtract both of them from 180. You will get this as what? 124. And then the circumangle you need equal 124 divided by 2. You will get direct the answer, which is 62. Any problem? You see, we took a lot of time in this question, but we are explaining. But if you did it direct, fair enough. 1 minute, 2 marks, correct answer. Okay.
Okay.
Subhanallah. This is what I was telling you. Okay. Look here, please. Whenever, please, students, whenever you see this tangent chord, do not read the question. Do not read the required. Put first the tangency and the circumangle. You will 100% use it. You will 200% you will use it. So here, without searching, without reading what the required. This is tangent. This is chord. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my fingers at R and B and go out from R and B till you touch the circle, not the center, not a point. No, if they are intersecting inside the circle, no. Go out from R and B until you touch the circle here. So this angle is 47 also. Okay? 20, 200, million, 100%, you are going to use it. Okay? Let's read the question. Find angle RBQ. RPQ. This angle. You see how easy it is? 180 minus the sum of them. You got it?
Yes.
81. Easy. So please, the questions should be 95% familiar for you. Okay? Number 18. Solid cylinder, radius given, height given, total surface area. If you don't know the rule of the total surface area, scroll down and continue the exam. Okay, so you have to memorize the rules. You have to memorize what the rules. What is the rule of total surface area? What is the rule of
Height
Pro-
times radius
Shall-
times 2.
Huh? Say again, say again, say again.
Height times theta times radius times 2.
No. What is this? What is this rule? Theta? Huh? No, wait. Total surface area of a cylinder. What is the rule of it? 2 pi r squared
This is 2
plus
pi r
2
squared
pi
plus
r
2
h.
pi r h.
Yes, that's it. Okay. Trust me. You have no energy and no time in the exam to prove this rule or to derive this rule. Okay, but in case you want to derive this rule, total surface area, you have two circles, circle up and circle down. So pi r square up and pi r square down, so it will be 2 pi r square. Then you have the lateral area, which is the rounded one. The rounded one is rectangle. If you unfolded it, it will be rectangle. 2 by r, the length, and h, the width. Of course, no need to do that in the exam. If you solve it by your hand, 2 or 3 questions using this rule, خلاص, you will memorize it. Okay, so the total surface area is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h or L, whatever. Okay, and then substitute, you will get the answer. Nth term. I love these sequences. Okay. Before starting this question, I will ask you a question. The sequence with direct the same difference, I will use which rule? How would I do it?
I think it's geometric. Sorry, arithmetic.
Yes, if it is arithmetic, خلاص. And you got the difference and you find the difference, the common difference are the same. So go direct. You get A, D, substitute in the rule, which is A, N plus N minus 1D. Type. If you got the difference and you find the first difference were not equal, but the second stage of the difference were equal, what do? You remember what I said? Huh?
Teacher, can you repeat the question?
No, I will solve a question. Okay? So now I told you to remind me of LCM and HCF and we did it خلاص. Okay? Remind me to do a sequence, the 3 types of the sequence, the linear, the quadratic, the cubic. Okay? After finishing this. Okay? I want to tell you something. If you feel free to go out of the meeting if you feel satisfied or feel tired. Okay? Okay, for question number 19. Here I have what? 11, 8, 5, 2, negative 1. Please, 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 for Miss Manar, please check if it is geometric first. Check if it is what? Geometric first. Why? Because if it was geometric and you go through the arithmetic sequence, it will be like a maze. So always check if it is what? geometric sequence. Okay, okay, here 11, can I divide it by something to get 8? No, so it is not geometric. That easy. Okay, can I multiply it by something to get 8? No, so it is not geometric. So it is increasing and decreasing. So from 11 to 8 I did minus 3. Okay, then from 8 to 5 minus 3, then from 5 to 2 minus 3, minus 3. So this is the linear one, the easiest one, which is what? A equal 11, the first term, and D equal the common difference, which is negative 3. Plot the rule, substitute A plus n minus 1 D. A equal 11 plus n minus 1 multiply by negative 3. Please do not get confused in this part. You are going to distribute negative 3 here and here. So 11, then negative 3 multiplied by n, negative 3n. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 1, positive 3. Then do what? Take negative 3n, then add the two other. 11 plus 3, 14. Miss, can I write it 14 minus 3n? Yes, you can, sweetie. Okay? Any
Teacher?
problem? Yeah, tell me.
Different, shorter way to solve. Will I still get all the marks?
Yes.
Like my way is find the difference and it's minus 3n, and then you go to 11 and then you just add 3 to it, which is 14.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Okay? Then B. What about B? Search first if it is what? If it is geometric. If it is what? Geometric. Can I multiply 1 by something to get 5? Yes, it is multiplied by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, and so on. So here A equal 1 and the ratio, common ratio equal 5. What is the rule? A R n minus 1. Again and again and again. This n minus 1 is the power of R only, not the power of A and R. Okay, so only substitute 1, open bracket, 5 power n minus 1. No need to write the 1. So 5 n minus 1. Any problem? So can I write a question here? If you please.
Miss, what's the difference between A and B?
B? Where is B?
No,
This
I'm saying-
question. Okay, here it is arithmetic sequence. This is arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence means you are adding or subtracting a number to go with the pattern. Okay, but in B you are multiplying by something. Geometric sequence. This is called geometric sequence, and this is called arithmetic sequence. Okay.
Okay, Miss, thanks. Yeah.
Okay, look at this question, what I'm writing. Okay, from 625 to 125. It is decreasing. That means it could be subtracting as arithmetic sequence, or it could be geometric sequence. Okay, search first if it is geometric sequence. What's happening here from 625 to 125? From here to here. What did I do? Students, sleepy.
Multiply by 1 over 5.
Yes, multiply by 1 over 5. Please, please, please don't say divide by 5. There is no division. There is no division in the geometric sequence. Don't say divide by 5. Don't say what? Don't say divide by 5. It is multiply by 1 over 5. Okay? It is multiply by 1 over 5. Here, multiply by 1 over 5. Don't say what? Don't say divide by 5. So here, A equals 625 and R equal 1 over 5. Okay, write the rule, which is A R n minus 1. So A 625, open bracket, and write 1 over 5 n minus 1. Then, what to do with this? What to do with this? Maram, what should I do with this? Students, what to do with this next? Leave it as it is. Do not do anything. Okay?
So the answer will be 1 over 5 and minus 1.
No, here, and this 625, who ate it? Are you hungry?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
This is the answer as it is. I mean, do not multiply anything by anything. Okay? That's what I want also to say. You remember the upper bound and the lower bound? You remember the days and nights we did it in class?
Yes.
Okay, what should I do here? Okay, I will say it. Okay? First of all, for the givens, decide what is the upper bound and what is the lower bound. And I will say again, there is two ways to do this. Either the way we used to do that, add, subtract, and get the midpoint, or there is another way. If you want to do it, do it. Okay, for me, some of my students are confused in this, so I stopped using this, which is what? Hold this, divide by 2, then plus or minus. Some of you can use it. Okay, hold what he's saying about and divide it by 2, then what? Add and subtract, whatever you want. Do whatever you want. Okay, here. He's telling me what? 55.2 centimeters square, correct to 1 decimal place. Where is 1 decimal place here? This one. This is 1 decimal place, right? So I will put it here. Add 1, it will be 55.3. Subtract 1, it will be 55.1. Then get the midpoint here, which is 55.25, and this is the upper bound. And get the midpoint here, which is 55.15, and this is the lower bound. How to get the midpoint? Add, divide by 2 if you didn't get it mental. Okay? Type. If it was by the other way, some of you using it, 1 decimal place means 0.1, right? Divided by 2, it will be 0.05. Okay? Add 0.05 to get the upper bound and subtract 0.05 to get the lower bound. So again, I will say it again. 1 decimal place means what? Means 0.1. 1 decimal place means what? 0.1. Divided by 2, it is 0.05. Okay, so if you added 0.05, you will get the upper bound. If you subtracted 0.05, you will get the lower bound. It is easy. You can use it. I would do this method in the other one. For the length, I have what? I have it to the nearest centimeter. 1 centimeter divided by 2, it will be 0.5 centimeter, right? Here, add 0.5, it will be 9.5 to get the upper bound. And subtract 0.5, it will be 8.5 lower bound. Choose whatever you want. At the end, get for me the lower bound and the upper bound of all the givens. Then go to the question. Now, this is the scene. Go to the question. calculate the upper bound of the width of the rectangle. So you should write the equation direct. If you know the equation of the width direct, go on and write it. But if I don't remember it, what do I remember? What is the rule relating all of this givens? The rule of the area, which is what? Length multiplied by width. But he wants the width only. So the width will be equal area divided by L. Okay? Done for now? Okay, now he wants the upper bound of the width. So do you remember how to take the A and L? If it is division, take also the upper bound of A and take the lower bound of L. So what is the upper bound of A? Here is it 55.25. Okay, what is the lower bound of L? 8.5. So please calculate it. 55.25 divided by 8.5. It is 6.5. That's it. Any problem? Huh?
No, miss.
Okay. Shall I say something here to be 100% satisfied with myself? If I have A equal B plus C, if it is adding, if I want the upper bound, take the upper bound here and upper bound here. Okay? If I want the lower bound, take the lower bound here and lower bound here. Done? Okay. If it is multiplying, if it is I want the upper bound here, take the upper bound here and upper bound here. And if it is the lower bound, take it here and take it here. So for adding and adding and multiplying, same. Huh? Same. But for subtracting A equal B minus C, okay? If I want the upper bound here, take the upper bound of the first and the lower bound of C, of the second. If I want the lower bound of A, take the lower bound of B and the upper bound of C, okay? But if it is dividing like what we did here, if I want the upper bound, take the upper bound of the first and the lower bound of the second. If I want the lower bound, same first, different second, or opposite second. You got it? Any problem?
No.
Okay, for 21, I want you to look at the question. Say skip or do it. It's okay to say do it. If all you're going to say do it, I will do it. I'm all here, yours. Huh? What is the idea of this? Whenever he's giving me two things and ask for the intersection, whatever, line with line, graph with graph, graph with line, whatever, equate them, make them equal, make them what? Equal. So this will be equal this. I like to start with the highest power. Equal x plus 1. Then what to do? Send them all to this. So x squared plus x minus 3 minus 1 equal 0. Then cross the x with the x. What will remain? X squared minus 4 equals 0. How to finish this?
Factorize.
Factorize mod 5, 3, whatever. I can factorize easily x plus 2, x minus 2. So here x equal negative 2, and here x equal 2. 2 and negative 2. Then substitute where? Substitute in any of the equations. But of course, x plus 1 is easier. So x plus 1, 3. X plus 1, negative 1. Done. You see how many minutes you took in this question? Not more than 2 minutes. Okay? Proportion. Okay, who's asking about the proportion? Ghayath. Correct? Is Ghayath here? Ghayath. He was here. He left. Tell him that he asked for the proportion and now I'm solving the proportion. Okay, please, students? Okay. Now, x is inversely proportional to the square root of w. I don't remember he's asking about the proportional or probability, but in case. Okay, x is inversely proportional to square root of w. Please read the question properly. Square of w different than square root of w. Square of w different than square root of w. Square of w means w square. But square root of w means the square root of w root. Okay, so x inversely. X is what? Inversely. Wait. X inversely means 1 over what? Square root of w. Then what should I do? What should I do? I will remove the inverse and put instead of it equal k. So x equal k over root w. Then x, put x equal 3 and w equal 16. 3 equal k over root 16. So 3 equal k over 4. So from here, k equal 12. Any problem? Did I finish? No. I have to take this 12 and put it back here. Okay? So x equal 12 over square root of w. Look here back. If he's asking about find x in terms of w only, so I got the answer. But if he's giving me another value for w to get x or another value for x to get w, so I will substitute again. Any problem? For this 23, we did it before. Okay, for this, the simplify. Okay. How should I do this? And trust me, 99% of this, of the grouping coming in paper 2. Okay? Okay. First, I will take, you know what? I will take ax minus 2a minus x plus 2 away, and then what? Do it. Okay? This is grouping. How did I know it is grouping? Because it is 4 terms. Okay? Okay. First of all, I'm going to take the first and the second term together, the third and the fourth together, and 99.999% it goes like that. Otherwise, I will have to take the first with the third and the second with the fourth. But first, go usual way, which is the first with the second. Ax minus 2a. What common factor should I take? No. I want you to concentrate with me. Students, concentrate. Okay? Yeah, I will take a as common factor. What will remain here? X minus 2. Okay, done? Okay. Now, for this part, negative x plus 2, what is the common factor between them?
1.
Look, whenever you have a negative, look here. The first and the, listen to this, okay, concentrate. Whenever you, the first and the third, listen, the first and the third term should have the same sign. The first and the third term should have what? The same sign. So if this is positive and this is negative, go direct and take negative common factor. Okay? Then, do you have any common factor between x and 2? I don't have, right?
No.
So I will write 1. And believe me, I will tell you why you would write 1. Okay, then open bracket. Negative x divided negative 1, x. Then positive 2 divided by negative 1, negative 2. Now, you got a repeated bracket? Yes, I got. So, write the repeated bracket away first. Write the repeated bracket what? Away first. Then open a bracket and write the two other, the common factors you took. A minus 1. You see here, if you forgot or if you didn't want to write 1 here, I will say 5% you will forget to write negative 1 here. Okay, go back to the question. I will write x minus 2, a minus 1. Then here, a square minus 1, this is what difference between two squares, which is a plus 1 and a minus 1. Cross this with this, what will happen? X minus 2 over a plus 1. Any problem? Huh?
No.
Okay. Can I open another file for you, please?
Yes.
Okay. This file should be what? Let me check. Okay, look at this file. This file, I can send it for you. If I didn't, I don't remember I sent it or not. This file contains the ideas of sequences. Okay, this file contains what the ideas of sequences. Ahmed, this is the first one here is the same as the question you sent me. Yes, it is the same.
Yeah, this is the one.
Okay, because I don't remember which. Okay, look here. He's telling me what the nth term of a sequence, an squared plus bn minus 4. And he's giving me two informations. The first term is -3 and the second term is 2. Please, there is difference between the position of the term, which is n, and the value of the term, which is the number itself, okay? Look here, while he's telling me the first term is -3, that means that the position of it, if n equal 1, the answer will be -3. And the second term means if n equal 2, the answer will be 2. So here, in this equation, an squared plus bn minus 4, if you substitute it with n equal 1, let's substitute a1 squared plus b1 minus 4, the number, the term will be equal -3. Okay?
Simultaneous equation.
Yeah, this, can we simplify the equation? A plus B, send this to the other side by positive. So it will be what? A plus B equal 1. And leave this for now. Can we do the other one the same? I will substitute here by n equal 2. So A 2 power 2 plus B n minus 4. All of this equal what? 2. So 4a plus, this is 2, sorry, plus 2b, send this to the other side by positive, it will be equal 6. Okay, then this is the other one. I want to solve these two equations together. Can I do it by mod 5.1? You have to write the steps. Okay, so what should I do? I have to make them, both of them, the same denominator, opposite sign. So I can multiply this by either -4 or -2, whatever. I will multiply by -2, okay? Multiply this by -2 and put it here. It will be what? -2a minus 2b equal -2. Then do what? Add them together. 4a minus 2a, 2a. 2b minus 2b, cross. 6 minus 2, 4. From here, A equal 2. Done for that. Can I go and get B? Yes. Because what? 2 plus B equals 1. 2 plus B equals what? 1. So from here, B equal -1. So the answer will be 2 and -1. How many percent it is done? Sweethearts? Ahmed, done for this?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we take another? Okay, look here. Question number 2. Ask yourself first, please, is it geometric or not? 8 cannot be multiplied by anything to get 17. So it is arithmetic. Okay, so can you tell me, Yalla? Can you work with me? From 8 to 17, I added what? Plus 9. Then from 17 to 32, plus 15. Then from here to here, plus 21. Then from here to here,
27.
20, sorry?
7.
Yeah, 27. Done for that? Okay. Is it the same difference?
No.
So you
No,
see
but
this?
they're all
I cannot use it.
multiples of 3.
It is what?
Multiples of 3.
Yes, it is the multiples of 3. Okay, let's talk about this. Here, you have 2 methods or more than 1 method to solve this equation, to solve this sequence. The first method, what you started, that this is multiples of 3, and then you will check by inspection what will happen. This is very great. Okay, and the second method is the traditional way. I tried the inspection with most of my students. They get confused, especially inside the exam. Okay, so if you are working with the inspection method, go through this. I will say now the traditional method. Okay, done? Because most of the students, their question, how could I think about this? Okay, so this method, take it or leave it, whatever you want. Okay, now I got what? Add 9, then add 15, add 21, add 27. It is not the same, it is not common difference, so I cannot use this rule. So again, from 9 to 15 plus 6. From 15 to 21 plus 6. From 21 to 27 plus 6. Now I got what? Now I got the common difference after the second stage. So it is quadratic function, which is an squared plus bn plus c. All I have to do now to get a, b, and c. All I have to do now to get what? A, b, and c. How to get a, b, and c? 3 ways, 3 methods. يعني in 1 minute you can do it. Look what I'm going to do. Look here, I will take this line. I will take what? This line. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third number for me. I will name them for that, okay? Every time, you don't have to do this every time. I'm just explaining for you. So I will take this number as the first number, this is the second number, this is the third number, okay? How to get A? A is half the first number. So A is half multiplied by 6 equal 3. So I have here 3n square. Then for B, I have an equation which is 3A plus B equal the second number. So 3 multiplied by 3 plus B equal the second number, which is 9. So 9 plus B equal 9, so B equal 0. So there is no term of n. Then the third part, which is A plus B plus C equal the third number, which is 8. So I have here 3 and I have here 0 plus C equal the third number, which is 8. So from here, C equal 5, so plus 5. So what I have to memorize here, I have to memorize that the coefficient of n square, which is A, is half the number we named it first. And then 3A plus B is the second number, and A plus B plus C is the third number. Take it or leave it. Done?
Miss,
Teacher.
what was the formula for the cubic nth term?
We will do it, Habibi. We'll do it now. Okay? Can I do one more about this? Or who was asking first?
Me.
Tell me.
Teacher, is this 3 constant? 3A plus B?
Yes.
Uh,
What I highlighted with yellow is constant. You have to memorize them.
okay.
Okay? Can we do another one? Okay. Look this one. Okay? I will write it here. 4, 7, 12, 19, 28. I don't like this color. Okay, from 4 to 7 plus 3. From 7 to 12 plus 5. From 12 to 19 plus 7. From 19 to 28 plus 9. Okay, so I didn't reach the same difference. So I am thinking loudly with you, okay? So 3 plus, from 3 to 5 plus 2. From 5 to 7 plus 2. From 7 to 9 plus 2. Okay, done. So I am going to take this and work with it. A is half the first number, which is 2. So equal 1. So I have here n square. Then 3A plus B equal the third number, which is 3. That means 3 multiplied by 1 plus B equal 3. From here, B equals 0. So there is no n. Okay? Then A plus B plus C equal the third number, which is 4. So A, which is 1 plus 0 plus C equal 4. So from here, C equal 3 plus 3. How many minutes should it take?
2 minutes.
Yeah, but 2 minutes with what? 100% sure. Not 2 minutes thinking. Okay, for me, 5 minutes with 100% sure answer better than 3 minutes. It could be right, it could be wrong. Okay. Okay, for this question, if he's telling me, okay, this is not finding the next term only, yeah, not finding the nth rule. Okay, I will think about the upper alone and the lower alone. Look here, plus 2, then plus 4, then plus 6, then plus, look here, sorry, هنا plus 2, yes, sorry, plus 4, plus 6, then plus 8, so plus 10, it will be 31. Then here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay? Okay. For question number 5, he's giving me these diagrams, okay? And there is a sequence between the lines and the dots, okay? What should I do here? He's giving me a table like this, and first of all, he's asking me to complete the table, okay? From 4 to 10 plus 6, then from 10 to 18 plus 8, then from 18 to 28 plus 10. So from here to here plus what? 12. So it will be 40. Then from here to here plus 14. So it will be 54. Then here plus 4. Then plus 5. Plus 6. So here plus 7. It will be 26. Then plus 8, it will be 34. Any problem for that? Now, the next question, he's telling me for the n, for diagram n, find what? Find the number of small lines. Find the number of what? Expression for the number of small lines means this sequence. I'm going to write it. 4, 10, 18, 28, whatever, okay? Then from here to here, plus 6. Then from here to here, plus 8. From here to here, plus 10. Then from here to here, plus 2. And here to here, plus 2. Then we will do the same. Any problem in this? Okay. Look here بقى. The diagram R has this number of small lines. Find the value of R. What do you think I should do here? Find the value of R means he needs n equal what? And the answer, this one. So the answer you got from here, the formula you got from here, you will put it here and get the answer of n or R, whatever. Okay? But there is a problem here. When you do this, you will get two answers of R. Okay? One positive and one negative. For sure, the negative is rejected. So you will take the positive one. Okay? Can we go through cubic one back? For example, here in number 6 first, can you tell me what is the difference between question A and question B? Students, you're opening only the Zoom and sleeping or what? What is the difference between A and B? Whoa, students.
For the first one, we substitute with an
Here,
n
second
with the
term.
2, I mean.
Yes.
And for the second one, yeah, yes.
Yes, that's it. Okay. For the first one, second term, so substitute with n equal 2 and get the answer. But here, the value of n, when n term is this, so 4n squared plus n plus 3 equal this number. How to do this back? Send this inside by negative. When it is inside by negative, so it will be negative 495 equals 0. Then make mod 5 3. Mod 5 3. 4 equal 1 equal negative 495 equal. You will get n equal 11 or n equal negative 45 over 4. So for sure this is what rejected and n equal 11. Okay, can we go through a cubic one, please?
Yes.
Okay, it was which question? I think this question. Okay, let's do this question. I don't remember which question there. Okay. Okay, here. From 2 to 9 plus 7. From 9 to 28 plus 19. From 65 to 20, from 28 to the plus. And then from here to here, 61. Okay, then from 7 to 19, 12. Then from 19 to 37, 18. Then from here to here, 24. Then from 12 to 18, plus 6. from 18 to 24 plus 6. Hop. The common difference here appeared after how many stages? 3 stages. This, this, this. So it is what? It is cubic function. There is no rule for cubic function, but there is standard steps for cubic function, which is, I know it is cubic, so I know it contains n power 3, correct? Do you agree with me? Okay. Okay, so look here, what is n? N is the order of the terms, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, right? Okay, I know it contains n cube. So get n cube. It will be what? 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, and so on. Any problem for that? Now I want you to put under this your question here and try to find the relation between them. Ihsan, are you concentrating? You were asking about this.
Yeah, miss, I'm listening.
Okay, so again, first I did what? I know it contains n cube. So I put n cube, which is 1, 8, 27, 64, and 125. Okay?
Miss,
Yes.
I didn't ask about this. I was asking about further vectors.
Okay.
This was not my question.
Okay. Then, let's complete this خلاص. Okay? Then what we are going to do? I want you to find the relation between what? Between what in blue and what in red. What do you think? You see here? Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1. Plus 1, right? So the equation is what? N cubed plus 1. Any problem?
No.
Can I write for you here another cubic one? It was like, it came, it was يعني famous. But the problem that I don't find it, I cannot. I sent it, you know what I'm talking about? I sent it on the group, you remember, in a video. Anyone wants to repeat it? Let me write it house again because I intended to write it. Yeah, if it is -1, 0, 7, 26, 63. Okay. Now, if you found the difference, it will be 1, 7, 19, 37. And if you got the other difference, it will be 6 and so on. Then it will be the third, so it is the cubic function. Okay, I know it is what? Cubic function. Now what I am going to do, I am going to write n cube. N cube equal 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. Okay, then write your question down here. -1, 0, 7, 26, 63. Okay, now can you please tell me, do you think is there any relation between these two lines? If you notice here, I am subtracting 1. I am what? Subtracting 1, but not from the term down, from the like this, subtracting 1. Subtracting what? 1 like this, not from the term down, from the term next. As if I took this, as if I took this line and send it back 1. So I am subtracting 1. That means it is what? So here, -1, -1, -1, -1. So it is what? N cube -1, but I'm not subtracting from
Teacher,
the
مش can't
term.
see the green.
What? طب let
We
me
can't
complete.
see the green line.
Green line? What is the green line?
The green writing, I mean.
Down a bit.
Sorry again.
Scroll down. Yeah. أيوة هي كده بانت. Okay.
Okay, let me write it again. Okay, here I wrote what? I wrote n cube. Now I am going to write what? To write the problem, my question under it like this. Okay, then what should I do بقى? Find a relation between them. Okay, look here. I feel like they are subtracting 1, but not from the term under it. Like here, subtracting 1. Here, subtracting 1. Here, subtracting 1. Here, subtracting 1. That means it is n cubed minus 1. But it is not subtracting from the term under it. It is like I hold the green one of n cubed and send it back 1 step. So I will do -1 like this. And this will be the answer. Okay. Any problem? I will send you also this sheet if you want to revise from it. Okay. For Ihsan, look, further vectors, it is a wide topic. Can you please, you have a chance for tomorrow also. During today and tomorrow, can you please send me specific question that you cannot answer it, and I will solve it for you. Because vectors is wide. You have to study it first. Okay?
Yeah, miss.
Students.
Okay, miss.
Tell me.
Thank you, miss.
Okay. For now, do you feel that something you need to do more? You need me to solve on it or something?